Have you ever got stuck on a topic in German and no one to turn to? Or do you feel you're not getting enough exposure to German between lessons and start lacking motivation to keep learning German on a daily basis? If you answered yes to either of these, then my interactive German learning group on Facebook, Learn German with Claudia, is exactly what you need to excel in your German and stay motivated. I'm Claudia Dixon and I'm a native German tutor and language specialist. I've been helping professionals for the past 29 years to become confident in their German and speak German like a native. I've created a system in my Facebook group which has proven to create fast results for its members. Now, we work on all 5 pillars of success for learning German. And these are reading, writing, listening, speaking, and grammar. With these, we have different themes and exercises throughout the week. A new word of the day and weekly tutorials where I answer your questions. Consistency is a key factor when learning German, and that is exactly what my group on Facebook will give you. I also love interacting with members inside the group on a daily basis. So, with Learn German with Claudia, you will get your German questions answered, start speaking German with confidence, develop consistency with your German, perfect your German vocabulary, and experience live tutorials. Now, this group is for professionals at any level of German, and we've created a wonderfully supportive and enthusiastic community. So, if you are looking for an online group with a difference, consistent new content and tailor-made tasks, then come and join Learn German with Claudia today. Click the link below and we will see you in the group. Wir sehen uns in der Gruppe. Bis dann. Tschüss.